Okay, next one is cup. All right, cup. And cup deganimiz nima dersanglar? Piyola, romka, stakan degan gap. Masalan, mana shunday o'xshash choy ichadigan piyolani, romkani nima deymiz? Cup deymiz. Masalan, a cup of tea. Bir stakan nima? Choy. Okay, and the cup of tea degan yana bir eg'iz tilda ko'chirmayapsa, bir amroq shing'ilni cup of tea deymiz. Oh, English is my cup of tea. İngilis tili bo'lsa meniki bir stakan chayim degan gap, hamda nima intayin amroq degan gap. Hey, you are my cup of tea. O meniki. Siz mening amroqim. Demak, men sizga amroq degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, she is my cup of tea. Men uningga amroq degan gap bo'ldi. Janonglar, bilib olinglar, a cup of tea. Unutib qolmanglar. Ondan keyin cupni yana bir ma'nosi mera lo'nqa deymiz. Nima? Lo'nqa talish musobaqasi. Masalan, CCTV cup English speaking competition. Demakchi, CCTV lo'nqasini talish ingliz nutq so'zlash musobaqasi. Agar demakchi lo'nqda masalan World Cup degan shu. World degan dunyo, shunami World Cup bo'lsa, dunyo lo'nqasini talish futbol musobaqasi. Ya'ni World Cup. Okay, next one is bottle. Okay, bottle. Okay, bottle degan uyg'urcha gap botolka, shisha degan gap bo'ldi shu. Bottle. Masalan, bottle of milk. Bir botolka nima? Sut. A bottle of milk. Next one is tin. Okay, tin. Tin deganimiz nima? Konserva quti degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, a tin of tobacco, bir quti tamaka yoki bir quti nima deymiz? Shu muhurka. Okay, next one knife. Okay, knife degan ko'ra sharp deb tushunami? Knife deganimiz pichoq, buni knife deb o'qish bo'lmaydi. Achiq bola knife deb oldi ekan. Bu nima? Knife. Masalan, it is a knife. Baca, bu nima ekan? Fork. Okay. And bu nima? Sana fork. Fork deganimiz shu. Qo'shiq. Ara, masalan, itsa nima? A fork. Baca, spoon. Okay, spoon. Ama yimbiyosi xato yozilib qolibdi. Spoon. Spoon deganimiz nima? Qo'shiq. Masalan, it is a spoon. U bo'lsa bir qo'shiq. Velka deganicha fork. Yaxshi. Aniqda savolashlar shu tuvandagi shu nimani ko'rib baqinglar? Ko'rib baqsanglar, nima deydi? Is this a Nicholas code? No, it is not. Okay, her code is grey. Endi mush bo'sh o'rinda kitobni qarab to'shqizib baqinglar. Buni to'shqizganda nima deysanglar? Shu kishilik almashni yozganmiz. Masalan, igrik almash, masalan, his, her, him degandek. Tushunami? Masalan, is this Nicholas coat? Bu bo'lsa Nikolaninki paltosimi? Yo'q, it's not. Yo'q, u emas. Uning paltosi kulrang. Endi men Nikola degan qiz olib her coat is grey deymiz. Endi ikkinchisi, are these your pens? Endi bular sizning qalamlaringizmi? Yo'q. Ular nima? Mening qalamlarim emas. No, they are not. They are not. My pants are blue. Mening qalamlarim bo'lsa nima? Ko'k ranglik. Endi demak ham demishagi my keldi, shunami? Uchinchisi. Masalan, is this Mr. Jackson's hat? No, it is not. Okay. Voy bu Mr. Jackson'ninki shlapsimi? Yoki postmisimi? Yo'q, u emas. Meningki, demakchi uningki deyishimiz kerak, shunami? Mr. Jackson degan er kishi, shunga uning deganga nima aytsanglar? His. Demakchi, uning shlapsi bo'lsa qara. His. Aniqda bu to'rtinchi. Masalan, are these the children's book? Bular bolalarning kitoblari emas. No, they aren't. Yo'q, ular emas. Endi ularning kitoblari deymiz, nima? Endi ularning deganga nima? Their. Demakchi, their book are red. Endi ularning kitoblari qanday rangda? Qizil rangda. Demak, savodashlar, masalan, qizlar kelgan uning bo'lsa her deymiz, o'g'illar kelgan uning bo'lsa his deymiz, ma kishilik almashuv. Mening bo'lsa my, bizning bo'lsa our, okay, ularning bo'lsa their. Okay, endi bizga uningga ayrim. Okay. Endi ma written exercise B qanday desanglar, ma yozish mashqiga bir ulgu misol qarab, uning qog'ozlarini qanday qilsizlar, ishlaysizlar. Masalan, book, this blue, that red. Nima? Endi buni qanday ishlaymiz desanglar, give me a book please. Menga bir kitob bersangiz. Which one? This blue one. Oy qaysini? Bu ko'k birisini mi? No, not this blue one. Ya, bu ko'k birisini emas. That red one. Here you are, thank you. Endi buningda ama here you are, thank you degan almashmaydi, qog'ozlar qanday desam almashadi. Masalan, ikkinchi misolga qaranglar. Cup, this dirty, that clean. Okay, and that give me a cup please. Manga bir stakan bersangiz. Oy, which one? Qaysini? This dirty one? Okay, and the mao mained birisini mo ya? No, not this dirty one. The clean one. Yap, o pakizini. Yap, o mained emas, a pakizini. Okay, here you are, thank you. Oy, ilanga mana desa, oy rahmat. Shunami? Here you are, thank you. And so qog'ozlarni ishlab boqaylik, savollar. Ikkinchisi nima desangiz, glass, this empty, that full. Shunami? And give me a glass, please. Okay, mana bir stakan. Which one? This empty one? Which one? Empty ones? No, not this empty one, the full one. Here you are, thank you. Okay, and mana ishlab boqinglar. Bottle, this large, that small. This large and that small. Bundan mana bottle bersangiz, give me a bottle, please. Which one? This large one. Which one? This large one? No, not this large one. That small one. Here you are. Thank you. And the king's your box, this big and that little. And then give me a box, please. Which one? This big one? No, not this big one. That a little one. But since it's 10, new or old, give me a 10, please. Which one? This new one? No, not this new one. That old one. Here you are. Thank you. Give me a knife, please. Which one? I said the sharp one. The sharp one? No, not this sharp one. That blunt one. And spoon, give me a spoon, please. Which one? This new one? No, not this new one. The red one. That red one. Okay, fork. Give me a fork, please. Which one? This large one? No, not that large one. That. All right. And bugungi tongue twister qaranglar. So bugungi tongue twister nima desa, I thought I saw it, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Okay. And the body matters. I thought a thought. Okay. And I thought deganimiz a think o'tgan zaman shaklar. I thought deganimiz nima desa, o'yladim. Men bir o'yni o'yladim. But the thought I thought, men o'ylagan o'y wasn't the thought. Okay, wasn't the thought. Men o'ylagan o'y emas idi. Eliqi o'y. Qaysi o'y? I thought. Men o'ylagan o'y emas idi. Demakchi, men bir o'yni o'yladim, lekin eliqi o'y, men o'ylagan eliq o'y wasn't the thought. Eliq o'y emasdi. I thought. Demakchi, men o'ylab bo'lgan eliq o'y, men o'ylagan eliq bir o'y emasdi. Degandaka. Amaliyotda buni aniq ma'nosi yo'q. Ammo nima desanglar, shu talaffuz mashq qilamiz. Mana thought. Talaffuz qilganda thought. I thought a thought. Okay, I thought a thought. Okay, I thought a thought. But the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Gentlemen, I thought a thought, but the thought I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Okay, I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Okay, degandek, amsalashda, mushu bizniki g'oya abdiy ta'limimizniki tushirish adresi sizlar mushundan mushu abdiy ta'limimizning Android nusxasi va yoki iPhone nusxasini tushira olasizlar. Shundan tushirib, shundan bir ovozli inkas qaytarish ixtiyori bor. Shu yerdan ham mushu til qaytarish mashqini masalan eng o'lchamli terapiz qilganlik mukofot beramiz. Bo'ldi. That's all for today. See you next. Oh, sorry. Bir narsa unutib qoldim. Tapşırıq. Tapşırıq sözlərini 10 qətimdən köçürüş. Tekstni generallaşqa yadlanır. Qanday? Çoxum yadlaş kerak. So, that's all. See you next time.